Okay, I'm gonna wind this thing up just a little bit, show you the little improvements that Larry and I did yesterday, and then we'll go into a little bit more detail of what's going on. We're still working with the Verg and Foliot escapement. However, yesterday Larry and I changed the gear ratio on it, where it takes a lot more weight to drive it, but it drives it for a lot longer time, and we made it easier to wind up. So we have to wind it by hand. Just turn this wheel right here, and as you can see how fast the weight's coming up with me turning it with very little effort. The weight's coming right on up. So now let's fire this bad boy up and watch her work. And while she's working, I'll explain a couple of things, like for example the pulleys and the friction there. All right, here we go. Alright. Now, as you can see, it's running just like it was the other day. The only thing is I'm not touching, I'm nowhere near it. The weight that you see on the cable coming down is 167 pounds and 12 ounces. That coming down for 61.5 inches will drive that pendulum that weighs 22 pounds for exactly 15 minutes. Now, I'm sure, absolutely positive, it's going to take a lot less than 67 pounds to drive this thing, for the simple reason, if I can zoom in, you see that pulley right there? That's a cheapo cast aluminum pulley inside of a cast aluminum frame on a steel rod. And half the time it turns, the other half the time the cable just slides by it. We have the same situation up here, two of them, and another one on there, right there. As you can see, it's not turning very well at all. The pulley inside is actually rubbing on the case. Alright, so what we've done is I went out and bought some different pulleys yesterday, idler pulleys. All they are, idler pulleys are just simply pulleys that have bearings inside. And we're making our own set of pulleys for this thing. They're a little bit bigger diameter, and the reason I did that is because the bigger the diameter of the pulley, the easier the cable goes around the pulley, and there's less loss friction there. It does not change the distance of fall whatsoever, not one little bit. It doesn't matter if you use a 3-inch pulley or a 12-inch pulley. It's the same distance of fall. Okay, I'll make another clip tomorrow when we get all these new pulley system on, and make a video of that and tell you how much better it works, because I know it is. Alright, everybody have a great weekend. Bye-bye.